walked into the workshop basement, knew it straight away. I was just 15, but it was great, and I just knew I needed to be on the team. Goodbye, free time.
The season has begun. The kickoff and the robot in 1 week were nearly done. When League Meet 1 approached and we had so much left to do. Programming driver practice too. And then we had to queue.
We made it through the regionals, now we prepare for nationals. Will we make a new bot? We'll have to see. Engineering notebook stress, the workshop is just one big mess. Do we have more zip ties? Can you hand me duct tape?
Work real hard, each put up my beats. Don't let how we can reach our goal.
Cutters on, the connection's gone. We'll just keep trying,
'Cause it's another day of first.
The nationals are here, the teams are getting ready, and the matches have begun. Batteries in the chargers picking narrow laces. The final matches have begun. Now Detroit, here we come, celebrating for a day. Back to work straight away, off the plane, here it came. Our dreams came true, the day I put my beaters on and FLLK comes along. That will be the thing to push her on and go, go.
Picture we're pushing up stage and walking on the pitch to sky.
Dancing from the start.
Road capped, 'cause it's another day of first.
Are done. Next season, here we come. It's another day of first. It's another day of first. It's another day of first.